Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Kamaboko dip. First, gather your fresh Kamaboko, a good quality mayonnaise, and a few simple seasonings. Next, prepare the Kamaboko by finely dicing or shredding it. This creates a wonderful texture in your finished dip. Finally, combine all of these ingredients in a mixing bowl, making sure to achieve a smooth and evenly blended mixture. It is a quick and satisfying recipe. For this delightful dip, you will need 8 ounces of Kamaboko. A firm variety works best for holding its shape and flavor. Measure out 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise, which forms the rich and creamy base. Next, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions to provide a fresh, aromatic touch. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and a half teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance the overall savory profile. These simple ingredients create a fantastic flavor. Now let's mix everything together. Gently fold the prepared Kamaboko into your mayonnaise base. Then, stir in the fresh green onions, soy sauce, and fragrant sesame oil until all components are thoroughly combined. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Take a moment to taste the dip and adjust the seasonings, perhaps a little more salt or a tiny pinch of sugar. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of sriracha adds a wonderful kick. Once your Kamaboko dip is mixed, it is best to chill it for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen. When ready to serve, present it with an array of crisp crackers, fresh vegetable sticks like carrots and celery, or even toasted baguette slices. For an appealing finish, garnish with a few extra green onions or a light sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This versatile dip is perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying as a delicious snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.